So guys, in the kitchen we're going to make some chicken wings using our new sauce that we've got through from the Skinny Food Company, which is their honey barbecue. I've used a bit of this already as a dip with some other meals and it is really nice. So we're going to see how it goes down on our wings. So let's get going. We have our chicken wings here. They are full wings. So as we take them out, we want to break them off into the drums and the flats. Once we're done with our nice pile of wings, we're going to get a container to put them in, an oven-proof dish, and then we'll add our sauce. Got our oven dish here. And we're just going to throw our wings in. We're going to take our sauce and we're looking at approximately 100 millilitres of this sauce. You can weigh that out, or as I'm doing you can roughly estimate it using quarter. There we go. Turn them all around, get that sauce all over them wings there. Keep moving them around until there's like a nice even brown colour over all of them. I'm just going to add a touch of sea salt over them. We're going to pop them into the fan assisted oven at 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes and we'll check to see how well they're cooked through. So there we have our honey barbecue chicken wings. So they look good, let's see how they taste. Let's see how these wings taste now, shall we? From the oven. Oh my god. Oh, it's like dessert and chicken all at once. That is absolutely brilliant. Hard to believe. It's like 0.9 grams of sugar for 100 ml. Like, there's nothing in it, nothing. That's absolutely brilliant. I cannot recommend that enough. I can't wait to try all the other sauces that they've got on offer. Thanks for watching the video. Do me a favour and hit the like button and subscribe if you've got this far in the video. We'll have much more recipes and content coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Bye.